We're going to have legal related templates where you need to hit certain regulatory requirements, or maybe potentially violate securities laws or investment advisor laws. Those include investment DAOs, on-chain startups. We're going to have a generic template if you want to launch an NFT community or fundable token. We're also partnering with Gamma. If you want to launch an NFT collection on their launchpad, you'll be able to go right into our generation flow, launch your DAO based off of that NFT contract. With Stacker DAO, you can create a multi-sig. You can also create an NFT-gated DAO. If you have the NFT, you're a part of the DAO, but then voting power is determined by a fungible token. You can also create a protocol DAO that manages underlying protocol contracts. Stacker DAO is optimized to be incredibly composable and modular. You have a core DAO. It does two things. It calls other contracts or proposals, and it keeps a list of extension contracts. Extensions are what gives a DAO its structure and enables a DAO to do things. For example, you have this DAO contract, you then have this treasury extension. The treasury and the DAO are actually two separate contracts. You'll have the membership extension. It can be a list of whitelisted addresses that then can govern the treasury. And then you'll have another extension which governs proposals and how people vote on those proposals. And then for any action, it needs to enable an extension. If you want to interact with Alex, the DAO protocol, you can then enable an Alex extension. The DAO could then execute any Alex contract. Because of all these different contracts, it allows a Stacker DAO to be extremely flexible, and also it allows it to be changed. If you're starting a DeFi project, you can create a multi-sig, and then once you're ready to deploy your full DAO, you can upgrade it to a protocol DAO, because all you have to do is enable another membership extension for your token, which will then allow the token holders to vote, and then enable another extension that will govern the underlying protocol contracts.